Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. So, I know you guys have been waiting to see the 777 for a while now. It's been almost 2 months since we uploaded the maiden flight. Since then, the plane went to Mike and his amazing team, and they have been grinding that thing. So the plane is obviously behind that door. It looks amazing, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. So before we reveal the plane, I want to say thank you guys so much for subscribing and for supporting this channel and what we're doing here. Last week we hit the 1 million subscribers, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, guys. And now it's time to reveal the final product. You guys ready? Let's go. Alright, as you can see, this is the Boeing house livery. It's spot on, super scale, it's amazing, and details, fabulous. You see the flags as well of the airlines in there. All the windows are actually cut-out windows, so they're actual windows. All the lights are also installed. Unfortunately, everything in this plane looks scaled, looks amazing, except the tires. We are still stuck with those thin tires. We could not find anything like in the market that thick. Like the scale of this is like 70mm thick tires, which they don't exist, so we will have to somehow custom make these things. And yeah, paint job, spot on. It's so beautiful. Look at those engines with the logos as well. Even the spinners, they painted the spinners. I mean, they guys killed it. We're all excited, and I can't wait to see it in the air with the new dress. All right, let's go. Ready. Was that a tire?
74.
Or was that rain?
3 minutes.
I thought that was water. No?
75. 74. Gear up. Flaps up. 75. '81. 83. 83.
Nose gear is stuck.
79. 79. 78.
What's with the nose gear? Okay, he's trying to cycle the gear.
It goes in.
Okay, gear is all down. You know what's going on? I'm afraid the lights are blocking it.
No.
Yeah.
$76. $62. $62. $62. $62. $60. $57. $52.
Sorry.
All good. She knows heavy?
45. 40.
All good. She knows heavy, she's not flare. What did we... Oh, no way, we lost the nose. No way, look at this thing.
Yeah, I didn't have the flare. I couldn't get the flare.
I see, she knows heavy.
You want to say what happened?
Well, we lost one tire and we put these lights last night, so they hit the bush rods, so did not retract. Oops. So we have to find a better place for the nose landing lights. But now we need to find better tires. These tires are terrible. Terrible. That's why I was stuck. Okay. No,
That might be a little too wide.
no.
This is out though.
Okay, these some ugly tires right there. Anyways, just for this flight, I put this.
Can you put both?
$73. $72. Flaps up. $66. $65.
Nice.
$76.
Wow.
Should land now?
Yeah.
Yeah, down. Flaps 15. Flaps full. 70. 71. 72. 70. 67. 66. 64. 62. 62. 63. 63. 64. 63. 63. 64. 64. 60. 4 minutes. 58. 54, 51, 47, 45.
Nice. Woo.
Good job.
Wow. So you think more to the back?
I do, because I still can't get a good flare.
Yeah.
All 4 batteries in the second belt right there.
Well,
Yeah.
let's put 3 there this time and let me see, because that
Right.
flare was better, but I just want to be able to get a really good flare coming in.
Right.
Yeah,
I mean, we should have not moved the batteries at all, right?
I think that would have been better. Yeah.
I think it.
So we should have actually kept everything
It's
as
all
is.
first year I was talking about. You want so much nose weight. We were starting to get programmed to it.
Yeah, but it's just in coming in, it should be flaring like
Yeah.
this all the way in.
Yeah.
Until it gets to the ground, it should be nose up like this.
Yeah.
I can't get that at all.
Yeah.
And then at the last minute, and I'm going faster than I was
Yeah.
the first time. I'm landing like 10 miles an hour faster.
Right.
Yeah.
And it just dropped last second. Just the elevator just gave up. Boop.
Yeah. And I got full elevator.
Full out.
What happened?
So because of the paint, so there were like so much weight on the tail, so we had to move the batteries forward. But apparently I moved them a bit too much forward. So first flight was a bit nose heavy. Now we moved them back. It's better. Still we need to move them back a bit, but she's fine. She's amazing. Just need to fix that.
Up. 7 flaps up. 71. 86. 87.
She's good.
Yeah, she's good.
75. 68, 67, 65, 59, 59. Battery 50%. 79, 94, 96, 100.
Yeah.
It's been 4 minutes, 30 seconds.
Yeah. We got the 50% alarm already.
85, 97, gear down. 80. Flaps full. 75. 72. 72. 63. 61. 56. 55. 52.
Wow.
42. 34.
Unbelievable.
Wow.
Where's the clapping, guys? Come on. Are you kidding me?
Speechless.
This landing, man. I was just waiting for it. Amazing. Wow. Wow.
This thing is like,
Unbelievable.
the wind's gonna pick up.
Wow.
That's the flare's good now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The speed was perfect on
Yeah.
landing. That was a perfect landing. All right, guys. We're done. We flew it 4 times? Three flights. The first 2 flights, we had some minor issues with the landing gear, but it's all good, all fixed. And these are the guys, Mike and his team. Chris on the CNC machine, and that's what you guys know him. I want to thank you all for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.